Hello there, welcome to the next part of your rhythm challenge for the beginner guitar levels. So we're just looking at how to do our rhythm crotchets and quavers with a metronome. Hopefully you've gotten on with that okay. Let's have a look at the next task. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put that rhythm with a song, okay, something that hopefully you'll recognise. The song is He's a Pirate, which is the Pirates of the Caribbean theme tune. Sounds like this. Etc. So that is our song. Now we're actually playing it on the top strings. We're playing it at a slightly different pitch, and we're playing it slower than what I just did as well. I did it that way because that's where it's traditionally played in the song. Okay, so things that we need to notice about this song. First of all, we're actually playing with 3 beats this time and not 4 beats. So this isn't common, okay? Hence common time is 4 beats in a bar. But it does happen, okay? You do get other time signatures, and this is an example of that. So for this song, you're only going to count to 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We call it waltz time, okay? So if we look at the first bar, part A, so I'm looking at the He's a Pirate tab sheet now, okay, you'll notice it says 0355 on the tab, okay, and above that on the score it's got a set of quavers and then 2 crotchets, okay. So the set of quavers and crotchets, you're going to count those as quavers, 1 and then crotchet, crotchet, 2, 3. Only three beats in a bar, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. That's how this song is played, okay. Then we have 0355. We need to follow our 4-finger 4-fret method. So 3 is our lowest number in this riff. So our first finger is going to go on 3. So we're going to play 035, which means that we're using our first and third finger with the rhythm 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. Okay, you can take it slow as you want. 1 and 2, 3. Yeah, accuracy is more important than speed. Okay, so 1 and 2, 3, that's your first part, 0355. Then you've got 5, 7, 8, 8. So for this, you're going to have to move your hand position. 5 is now the lowest fret in this bar. 8 is our highest, so that's perfect. 5 to 8, 4 fingers. So we're going to use 5, 7, 8 should be our first, third and fourth finger. Still with the same rhythm. 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3. Like that. Okay? Then we have our third bar and it says 8, 10, 7, 7. Okay? And now for the 8, 10, 7, 7, okay? Bear in mind that 7 is our lowest number in this fret, in this bar, okay, not 8. It's very common people start with their first finger here, and that's incorrect, okay? That's because people get used to their first finger starting, all right? So 8 is actually our second finger because 7 is our first finger. So this is 8, 10, 7, 7, still with the same rhythm. 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 8, 10, 7, 7. That's how we play that second, little, first finger. And then finally, you've got the last bar, which changes to 2 sets of quavers for 5, 3, 3, 5. So 1 and 2. And then you have a little cymbal. That little cymbal is what we call a rest. Okay, we had a little bit of a play with that on the riffs. The rest, that one's called a crotchet rest, which means it lasts for 1 beat. Notice that your quavers are 1 and 2 and, so you have to have a full beat after that because there's 3 beats in a bar. And that rest means that we're simply going to be silent for that last beat. Okay, so you've got 5, 3, 3, 5, 1 and 2 and, 1 and 2 and, 5, 3, 3, 5. So that whole line together. Sounds like that. Okay, then you've got your second line, and the second line is almost identical to the first line. Starts exactly the same. second bar's the same, third bar's the same. Then the fourth bar is where it changes. You have quavers and then a crotchet. Quavers and a crotchet. 1 and 2. And you're silent for that 3. So it's just that, 1 and 2. Yeah, put it together. And that's what you've got. So then we have squeaky chair, part B, which is the extended part. Okay, so this does move on to a second string. If you want to give this a go, you're more than welcome to. It sounds like this. Slightly trickier on this part. Okay, so for the extended part, starts the same. 1 and 2, 3. And then you've got 1 and 2, 3 again, but this time you've got 5, 8, 5, 5 on the next string. So first, fourth, and first finger. 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3 again, but this time is on the second string. 5, 7, 8, 8. 1 and 2, 3. Then you've got 1 and 2 and rest, just like the part A, the first line. But this one is going to go 7, 5, 7, 5 above. Third, first, third, first. 1 and 2 and. Okay? Then your final line looks like this. You've got 5, 7, 8, 8 again. 1 and 2, 3. Then you've got that's first, third, and fourth, just like we've been doing. Okay, then you've got 5, 7, 5. This is just 1, 2, and. Like that. Yeah. Then 1 and 2, 3 again, but this time it's 5, 8, 7, 7 instead of 5, 7, 8, 8. And to finish, 1 and 2 again. 8, 5, 7. Yeah, so that extended part. And that is Pirates of the Caribbean. Have some fun with that. Feel free to send me a video so I can see how you're doing and give you some advice. If there's anything I can give you some advice on, have some fun with it, and I will see you for our 4th challenge next video, which is note theory. Thank you.